Hi everyone, my name is Weston Isham and I am finishing up my web development bootcamp through Dev Mountain. Previously, I graduated from the University of Utah with a bachelor's in kinesiology and went on to work as a strength and conditioning coach for Utah's athletic program. I decided that coaching wasn't my true calling and started working for Mammoth Sports Group as an assistant store manager before coming to Dev Mountain to learn the skills to start my new career as a full-stack web developer. Starting in college, I've always been interested in personal finance. I think it's very important to track the inflow and outflow of money to ensure you're progressing towards your financial goals. Therefore, I wanted to build my spend tracking web app because I wanted to give people a quick and easy tool to log and track their purchases month over month. This React app uses Firebase version 9 for user authentication, Firestore for the backend database, and also is hosted on Firebase. I also use Chart.js to display data and Tailwind CSS framework to style the site. On my site, you can create an account by moving up to the sign up page. Once you create an account and you hit sign up, it'll actually automatically route you to the dashboard. If you have an account, you can just log in. And if for some reason you forget your password, you can come over here, put in your email, and it'll actually send you an email to reset your password. Once you log in, your username that you entered to create your account is displayed at the top right. Your total current spend is displayed at the top here, make it easy to see and track your progress. And this is calculated based on your spend inputs. If you click on this cog right here, you can get an update account window. You can change your name, you can change your email, and you can change your password here, as well as log out. To add a new purchase, all you have to do is just click this big white plus in the top left corner, and you can add a spend amount, say $20, and add a date that you purchased it, say the 15th, and let's say this is a miscellaneous purchase, and you can add it. It displays that recent purchase to confirm what you've input, and you can just navigate back to the dashboard, and it'll actually adjust the total and show your new purchase right underneath in recent purchases. From your dashboard, you can actually navigate to a category breakdown. On this page, it gives you a full list of all of your purchases and displays them in a nice bar graph up here. On this page, you can actually edit a purchase. You just need to change the amount, input the date, and pick a category, and then you can click add. And it'll bring you back to this category view, and you can see that the purchase has been edited. Moving back to the dashboard, and the total is now edited. In the future with this app, I'd like to add the ability to display data based on month and add a page to give users a side-by-side comparison for 2 different months to compare how they're doing over time. The biggest challenge I faced with this project was manipulating the data from Firestore to display on page load, as well as learning all the methods available in Firebase to complete all the CRUD actions used on this site. My favorite part was creating something that myself and others can use to replace something like an Excel spreadsheet. The biggest lesson I learned was sticking with a problem and thoroughly researching it will lead to a solution eventually. And then finally, my favorite feature is probably the pop-up modals. As simple as they are, I think they're really cool and add a lot to the design and usability of the app.